Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajela ubak kami ru ya katanat kampo yeng polis ubak prestun tensong ha kakat sauterik na iwing ulaong bana kaliang kasorkar jela kadang ap ya kara jong kaseng henyo trap National Liberation Council HNLC halor kajing kerpat ya kinong yalam jongka bakinwan mi dalade sya kajing keren yasuk ha kakala kabanwan. Habakren syakilat pathai khobor ubat tensong ulaong. Sa sisian pat ngayay ban baka sorkar jela baka sorkar pedeng ki yeng skem halor kanong rim bakidon ya kajing angnut ban beteng ya kajing keren bat ka HNLC. Hadu mentang ngidang ap ya kajing tip na kaliang ki HNLC na marba kinong yalam bahak kli du kim pat la satya ban wan ya shimbenta ha kajing yalang. Kum taru ngilap ha ya ki dekat ka HNLC ringkat kajing karpat kajongi balada kinong ki balak loy kin ajing tip syangi na marba na kaliang ka sorkar jela bat ka sorkar pedeng kidang ap kami lenti na kabenta kawai pat kajing keren ka babut ong umenteri. Syu ubat tensong ulaong ya mentahi kajing keren bapura kaladap long tang sisien bat pitep ru bakani kajing keren kalalong tang bat kinong yalam hakakar dan kabakam hapo ni second rank. Kumta ngikir pat baha kajing yalang kabaar ni balai kinong yalam baha kli du kide penyadon rengkat lang ha kajing keren ha kabangin saya keren halor kinu kimat bat bansyem ya kisien jam ban wan syakmat haringkat kinu kijing mi lengba kajing keren.
From the state government and the central government, we are very, very firm. We are very, very determined to continue the talk with the HNLC, and we are still waiting now the communication from their side, because since their top leaders still could not participate in the meeting, so we have sent back or the members of the HNLC and then with a request, and our request is when they are ready, please let us know. State government and central government is open and we are waiting for the next talk. When the talk starts, because right now the talk officially has started only once, and you knew it. And that also not only with the second rank leadership. We requested that in the second and the third meeting, the top ranking people should be there, talk, and whatever issues you have, sit down across the table. Then we will come out to any kind of solution, whatever issues are there.